Hello team, so today it was the sideways day. Many of you might have some queries. Sir, we are having the wide initial balance and still you are saying that today it was the sideways day, not the typical day. Yes guys, it was the sideways day. So today let's go and decode the market data, how I was saying the sideways. Okay, I'm going to say little bit and I will going to say something about the one-to-one movement as well. In the morning, I was somewhat late. So clearly, I was saying that in the pre-market analysis audio that I'm not going to trade for the today before the initial balance. I'm sure going for the initial balance to be completed, and later on I'm going to decide that whether I should go for the trade or not. And by the time I updated in the Telegram channel as well that I'm not going for the trading anything today in the bank nifty, and it was my holiday today. Why? Because the day was the sideways day, and I updated that in the Telegram channel as well. So those who haven't joined the Telegram channel, guys, link will be in the description. Kindly go and find out that and join that as well. So in the morning, market opening was somewhere around 39,520 range, and that quite very much flat type and quite very much expected as well. So here you do not have to go for any kind of trade in the morning. Yes, very first wait for the very first candle to be closed. Why? Because market is having the very good movement yesterday and now it is opening very flat and it is not continuing. That's why we have to wait for somewhat confirmation whether market has that real bearishness on the downside or not. So very first wait. And in the pre-market analysis audio, I clearly mentioned that today you have to look out for the 1 and 2. So if you are going for the trade over here when market is breaking the very first candle low, then you have to target this second number level, the DS2 very first. Yes guys, today you do not have to look for this level directly. Why? Because of the wide R factor and clearly told you in the pre-market analysis audio. So here this was the target. So from this to this, okay, so it was the 100-point movement. After that, as market was reversing on the higher side, so here also the trade is there, the one to one movement. I clearly shared to you in the pre-market analysis audio as well. So from this to this, okay, one to one movement, and it is more than 200 points. So what more you need? After that, as market is not moving on the higher side and it is falling, it is getting rejection from the higher level. Okay, the CPR, the DS1, the DS2 over here. So here you have to wait. Here you have to ignore the trading completely for a while. Later on, just wait. As market is reversing from the CPR, yes, you can definitely go for the trade over here. Okay, but as this is the day with the very wide R factor, you have to look for somewhat other confirmations as well. As already market is giving you the one-to-one movement, now just take some rest. Don't go very aggressive immediately for the trading. Wait. So in this market again moving on the higher side and again getting some rejection. Here now you can draw one trend line over here, the horizontal trend line like this, and one trend line on the higher side like this. So what is this? This is nothing but the descending triangle. And what is the target for the descending triangle? The base height. Okay, so from this to this up to this level, from this to this higher level. So it is more than 250 points. So roughly around 260 or 270 point you can consider that. So from this breakout point to 260 point, 270 point of target, so it is completed over here near to this DS3. So this target is also achieved. Now you have to go for the exit. That's it. Why? By the time the where market is completing the initial balance and it is suggesting more toward the sideways type of movement, sideways day type of structure, we have to look for somewhat lightness for the trading. So here you cannot go for further holding for longer period of time. Already your target is achieved based on this descending triangle. So book the profit over here and that's it. So from the morning to this time, okay, by 10:30, market gave you the 100-point movement over here, more than 200-point movement over here, and here more than 250 point. So it's quite more than sufficient for you. Later on, market gave one more movement over here as well. Here, why you have to ignore the trading? Because on the lower side, it is the indecisive range, indecisive setup over there. So you have to ignore the trading over here. Don't go for any entry over there. Now here why you have to go for the trade? Reason is market is getting rejection from this initial balance low very first time over there, but here market is closing above that, so it is giving you the breakout, and it is also forming the bullish candle above this DS3, and also piercing candle from this 20 EMA in the 5-minute time frame chart. That's why you can go for the trade over here and target to the higher level up to what? Up to this higher supply zone, and you can consider this the DR1 as well, and it is also the more than 300-point movement. Now the most important part to understand for today's trading is, now as I ignore the trading for the whole day, then what's the what was the reason? The reason was completely based on the risk involved in the trading today. Yes, if I'm going to explain this, then the video might be somewhat very longer, so I'm not going to discuss, and it is also very much premium as well, so that is going to be discussed in the post market discussion for the mentoring program students only. So here these are the trades throughout the whole day. Later on, just ignore. There is nothing. Yes, here also market as market is reversing, you can go for the short, but I would like to avoid this. Why? Because here there was the reason why we can go for the short. Here market was touching the CPR and reversing from that. Also market formed the triangle pattern as well. But here there is nothing. Here there is just and just reversal. Now how we can decide the target on the downside, huh? We must have to very much clear about our stop losses and the targets as well. So here there is nothing. Here it was the 1 to 2, here 1 to 1, here this descending triangle, here it is quite something to the double bottom like structure. It is also breaking this initial balance low from the lower side to the higher side. So there are the reasons for the trading. Here there are nothing. Here there are nothing. We have to ignore. Now as market closed and market gave us the one trend line like this, and this is quite very much good. On the higher side there is nothing till yet, but for the tomorrow's market activity, you must have to hear my pre-market analysis audio tomorrow morning. Now from the broader picture, from the daily time frame, let me change the pivot point time frame. Look, on the monthly time frame, it is approaching this 39,150 range, which yesterday I was discussing this with one of the current training program batch student. Okay, he was carrying out the put for the downside, and he was asking me, sir, what is the view for the tomorrow, because I am holding the put option for the overnight. So I told him that yes, currently market is giving some indication that market is short going for the 39,150 range. So today market approach that level. If we analyze the market from the weekly level pivot points, then market is approaching the DS5 as well. So market is just taking the support from the DS5 from the weekly level Cambrillas. So this was the movement why market is taking some support from this level. Yesterday when I was discussing with one of the guys, hey, if you are watching this video, kindly pay some attention. Okay, this is the confluence. I analyzed this in the multiple time frames, and then I gave you this answer that yes, market is giving some indication to the 39,150 range. So hope you are getting somewhat more trust and some faith in this system. Now, what we can expect for the tomorrow and for few days now, yes, market is approaching this low with the volatile movement, with the rally movement. So definitely market must have to form some base. Yes, today market form one base. So if market is going to break below this candle low, then definitely we can expect some further downside, and definitely you can look for this 38,190 range. So in round figure the 38,200 range. But before that, personally, if market is going to give us some pause over here, some consolidation in this area, then it will be very much good, and after that it is going for the lower side, then it will be very much good for the market as well, so that market dynamics can be very much good for the trading as well. From the higher time frames also, market is also requiring some consolidation now, some smoothing now, some profit booking, some position adjustments like that. So personally, I am expecting somewhat consolidation for the few days. It will be somewhat correction or consolidation, the time correction. Okay, like that we can expect something. So from the tomorrow, kindly stay in the intraday mode only. Do not go very aggressive. Yes, you can go for the intraday trade very fast, and later on, if market is giving you the continuation on the downside or on the higher side, then definitely you can hold your positions for somewhat longer period of time. So guys, this is what for the today. Kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment below this video as well. Thank you guys for watching this video.